TAX267, the story of Hamdi as an employer animation. Let's meet the team. First is me, Shaif Isan Kamal bin Izam Kamal, and next to me, which is to my right, is Muhammad Rashidi bin Abdul Aziz. Next is Muhammad Hafizi bin Hamizi and Muhammad Luqman Hakim bin Jamil.
Last but not least, it's me, Muhammad Afham Rishadi bin Abdul Rahim. Okay, let's get started.
Hamdi is the owner of Dedi Event Enterprise, which offer top-tier event management services. The following information pertains to the MTD for the two employees for the year assessment 2024. Previously, Hamdi sent Form B for income tax for year assessment 2023 on 12 June 2024. However, on 31 August 2024, Form J, during a tax audit, it was discovered that Hamdi had failed to report rental income of 24,000 Malaysian ringgit, resulting in additional assessment. Hamdi intends to file an appeal. Despite this, Hamdi intends to vacation abroad before paying his outstanding amount of additional tax.
So guys, let's just get right into question 1. For question 1, we need to explain in briefly two MTD related offences committed by Hamdi as an employer.
Okay guys, the first MTD related offence committed by Hamdi is he remit the monthly tax deduction to the IRB on 20 of the following months. Hamdi must remit to the IRB or on or before 15 days of the next month. Hamdi will be fined between 2,000 to 200 or 6 months imprisonment or both according to section 120 subsection 1. The second MTD related offence committed by Hamdi is he paid the wrong amount on the MTD paid for the YA 2024, or we can say year assessment 2024 for his worker. Hamdi must deduct correctly MTD RM 1018 and 20 sen, which is 84.85 ringgit sen times 12 for Zahidi and and RM 2023 and 80 sen, which is 168.85 sen times 12 for Aziz instead of paying RM 1000 and RM 2000 on their behalf. In conclusion, hence Hamdi paid less than it should be, which for Zahidi less RM 18.20 sen and for Aziz less RM 33.80 sen. Hamdi will be fined between RM 200 to RM 20,000 or 6 months imprisonment or both.
But why Hamdi will face fine and imprisonment? It's because he failure to comply with monthly tax deduction scheme, and also he failure to comply with a direction of section 120 subsection 1E to deduct tax from emoluments and section 107.
So let's move on to question 2. For question 2, we need to discuss briefly how Hamdi can file an appeal for the undeclared rental income for the year 2023. The answer is Hamdi has the right to appeal within 30 days after the serving of notice. Hamdi can submit Form Q to the IRB within 30 days from the state of notice of the assessment. But
Did you know that if the appeal was not made within 30 days, Hamdi can make a writing application using Form N for an extension of time to lodge an appeal within 7 years from the expiration of the 30 days.
so for our last question, it is question 3. Let's go.
Question: discuss briefly any possibilities regarding Hamdi's plan to travel abroad before paying his additional tax. Answer is Hamdi's plan to travel abroad before paying his additional will result in guilt of an offence. The taxpayer will be liable to a fine of at least Rm200 and not more than Rm200,000, and the taxpayer also can be imprisoned not more than 6 months.
Next, Hamdi can also be arrested by police officer or immigration officer without a warrant because he committed a offence under Section 104 of the Act. Any certificate of identity, passport, exit permit, or travel document is seized unless all debts, tax, or payment due is settled.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching and listening. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.